birdie. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing challenges to determine whether you are a good or a bad bird handler. And with me today is our guest appearance, which is the husband. And he'll be involved because we need to compete. Basically, who is the better bird handler? Just keep in mind that this is just for fun. We're trying to do things a little bit differently on the channel, introduce some fun stuff, introduce some educational stuff, but let us know what you're interested in seeing down in the comment section down below, because we're just getting started.
All right, so what we're doing today is called the ChatGPT generated challenge.
What?
So basically what's going to happen is it's 5 challenges that's made by ChatGPT, and basically we're going to compete.
Okay.
I'm going to go first, you're going to go, and vice versa. Ladies goes first. Who knows? Anyways. Let's get started. So first challenge is the perch swap speed test. Basically the challenge is the participants, us, will transfer a bird from one perch to another as quickly as possible without it flying away. And well, we can use some expert techniques, which you'll see during the challenge. So let's dive right in.
Round 1. Fight.
All right, I gave Amir the challenge of perching from one to the other with Loza, the cockatiel. She's semi-tame, but let's see how she does. Alright, he's coming in with the perch. Biting the perch.
Alright, new perch alert! New perch alert!
Off she goes! Alright, bird expertise.
There we go!
Oh!
Let's go, Rosa! Let's go, let's go, let's go!
No! Almost. Alright, Loza is giving some trouble here. Alright. To step up. Oh! Off again. Alright, step up. It's done.
Alright, so moving on to the partner, Sim. That's the next challenge for the bird whisperer, Samantha. Yours truly, Bird Sitting Toronto's #1 bird camera.
With the dowel perch.
Alright,
Alright, come on,
I have my doubts.
Sim.
I have. Oh, what? Oh no! What? Wow!
Oh, hell no!
Wow! No! Oh.
To step up. Oh, off again.
Okay. What? Woo! All right. So the next challenge here is a staring competition. Basically, whoever can hold the longest stare eye to eye without walking or flying or doing anything away, whoever's the longest is the winner. So you won the first round. Let's see who wins the second round.
Round 2. Fight.
All right, I assign you Rio, the conure, as your competition or competitor.
Have you ever had a dream that you want?
What is he talking about?
Whatever you want to call it. Oh, wait, what? You're doing it through the cage? Oh, you're cheating? All right. Well, we got a little confused though with the challenge, but rest assured, The challenge starts now. He's not even staring at you. He's not looking.
Okay, I guess I lost. Alright, we got the staring contest with Kai starting right now. You went in for the cuddle! Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I guess Amir won that one. He's ready to go home. Okay, the last challenge of the day is to find out which person the bird will fly to. And featuring our fellow client, Pixel, who's super eager to come out, as you can see. And we're gonna open the door at the same time and stand on either side and see which one she flies to. All right, we got Pixel, we got Amir on one side, and we got me on the other. And now we're gonna open the door and see who Pixel flies to. Whoever, we'll see about that. Ready, steady, open.
Round 3. Fight.
Got a lot of options. Got a lot of options. Take left or right.
Pixel is taking her time to pick a shoulder. Come on, pick a shoulder, any shoulder. Pick this shoulder.
Pick a better shoulder. You can perch higher up here. It's a wider aerial view.
No, Pixel, come here. Pixel.
None of the above. Pixel's like, what's going on?
All right, round 2. All right, Pixel's emerging. Now we will approach at the same time. Okay, 1. Come on, Pixel. Come over here. Come here. Come here, Pixel. Well, blocking her. Well, it seems like out of the 3 challenges that we did, Amir is the winner. But I was going easy on him. So if you want to see more like this or see other videos like our birdie briefs, like, subscribe, and follow our channel. See you later.